press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, this is Sairam Tadepalli. Welcome to my channel Tech and Life. Thanks for your support till now, and I hope the same thing will continue further. And from this video, I'm going to make a series of videos on data visualization tool Tableau. So I'm conducting a free bootcamp course in YouTube on data visualization tool. And in this video, I'm going to give a brief introduction on what are the different data types and how to use those data for data visualization, and what's the main purpose of using data visualization. And first of all, data is divided into three types: structural data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. In structural data, we have in the form of rows and columns, and it will be organized manner, so it will be very easy to identify what the things are being happened in the data. And in unstructured data, it's completely a multimedia data, that is video, audio, images and GIF items. Everything related to multimedia will be under the unstructured data. But in semi-structured data, it will be in the combination of those two kinds. It may be a web page content like header and what are the images you are uploading, what are the videos you are uploading, and what are the content you are mentioning, like a web content, web description you are giving in your website. That comes under semi-structured data. So semi-structured data will be handled in the form of JSON or XML, some other data formats are available. So this is the process of identifying data. And if you have a data set, first of all, before going to data visualization, you have to understand which kind of data is you are having with you right now. In this data visualization, the main purpose of using data visualization is to present a data which is in the structured format in the graphical representation. For example, you have an Excel sheet with tons of information like 100 to 1000 features like headers there, and you can't express everything to your client or your heads in your department to explain about that project. In that situation, you need to do some pictorial representation of your data. So we need to identify insights of the data, and we need to give some pictorial representation, a graphical representation like charts, pie charts, box plots, bubble charts, etc. We need to visualize the data. So that's the main purpose of data visualization. And in this course, I'm using Tableau Desktop 2020 version. So this is the latest version, and I'm using that one. And you will get the procedure steps, how to get that data visualization tool Tableau, how to download that, how to install it. I'm going to show by giving presentation, so don't need to worry about it. And in further videos, I'm going to discuss how to handle everything related to data. I'm going to use real-time data sets to demonstrate data visualization using green pills, live extractions, etc. video, I think you got some idea on different kinds of data and how to use different kinds of data. So please subscribe to my channel Tech and Life. I hope you like the video. Please like the video, share the video, and mention your views in the comment box. And please support this free bootcamp course on data visualization using Tableau, which is very important thing in data science. So to become a data scientist, you have to become a master in Tableau, or you have to be good at all the data visualization, data analytics things. If you consider data analytics or data visualization, you can consider R programming also to do these kind of tasks. Even you can perform Excel data analytics and data visualization. But Tableau is one of the interesting thing because it will automatically clean your data. So I will explain everything in this series of videos of this bootcamp course free in YouTube. So if you like the video, please share to your friends, share to your colleagues or something. So please support me. Please subscribe to my channel Tech and Life. Thanks for watching this video. Please press the bell icon. Thanks.